Hello friends, Southern Railway has invited application from candidate to apply for apprentice post. Eligible candidates can apply for the post through the official website of Southern Railway. The last date of application is 30th June 2021. This recruitment drive will fill up 3,322 apprentice posts in the organizations. The 3 units where the vacancy will be filled up. One is carriage works unit where the number of vacancy is 936 posts. Second is central workshop Golden Rock where the number of vacancy is 700, and the signal and telecommunication workshop has number of vacancy is 1686 posts. One candidate can only apply for only one unit or workshop. Candidates residing in Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Kerala, Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands, Nellore and Chittor districts of Andhra Pradesh, and Dakshin Kannada district of Karnataka are eligible for application for the apprentice post or of different trades. Apprentices will be engaged for different trades. The official notification link is in my video description box, where you can find the details of every trades. Fresh candidates, that mean who are not passed in ITI, they can only apply for fitter, welder, painter, medical laboratory technician, etc. And the other trades are for only ITI pass students. But the degree and diploma engineering passed candidates are not eligible for any posts. Now, the fresher category student who will apply for fitter, painter and welder should have passed 10th class with a minimum of 50% aggregate marks under 10+2 system of education, and the medical laboratory technician should have passed 12th class with a minimum of 50% aggregate marks under 10+2 system of education with physics, chemistry and biology subjects. Other trades like fitter, mechanist, carpenter, painter, welder, wireman, which candidate should have passed 10th class with a minimum of 50% aggregate marks under 10+2 system of education and ITI course in the relevant trades in government recognized ITI. Minimum 50% marks in SSLC, that means madhyamik or 10th class is not applicable for SC, ST and physical handicap candidates. Now I will discuss about the age limit. As per notification, the notification date is 1st June 2021. On this date, the candidate should have complete 15 years of age, and the upper age limit is 22 years for fresher candidates and 24 years for ITI passed and MLT candidates. MLT means medical laboratory technician, and the upper age is relaxable by 3 years for OBC candidates and 5 years for SC ST candidates and 10 years for disabled or physical handicap candidates. At the time of online application, the 100 rupees fee is to be paid through online mode, but the candidate who belongs from SC, ST and physical handicap and women candidates, they do not pay any fee. No fee is required to be paid by SC, ST, physical handicap and women candidates. At the period of training, the candidate will get some stipend. The fresher candidate who have passed 10th standard will get 6,000 per month. The fresher candidates who have passed 12th standard will get 7,000 per month, and the ITI pass students candidates will get rupees 7,000 per month during the training period. Now the selection of the candidate will be done on the basis of merit list prepared in the respect of all the candidates who apply against the notification. The merit list will be prepared on the basis of percentage of marks in matriculation and ITI marks in the trade in which apprenticeship is to be done. The panel will be on the basis of simple average of marks in the matriculation and ITI. So I can make another video if you want about step by step form fill up process. So kindly comment and follow my channel. Thank you.